In this video, I will show you how to use GoHighLevel for cleaning businesses. So GoHighLevel does a lot of things. It acts as a CRM. You can create your website through it, or if you already have one, you can add a chatbot to your existing website. You can set up automations and a bunch more stuff that I'll show you how to do in this video specifically for cleaning businesses. Now, first of all, usually GoHighLevel offers a 14-day free trial. If you click on the link down in the description, you will get access to a special 30-day free trial. So if you want to claim that, click on the link in the description to start your 30-day free trial. So after creating your account, you will get to your agency dashboard from here. Now from here, just go and click sub accounts. Now in the top right, click on add sub account, and then here choose a blank snapshot since they don't yet have a snapshot for cleaning businesses. Now at the time you're watching this, that may be changed, so you can just search cleaning right here and see if something shows up. If not, just go and click blank and click on select and continue. Now here search for your business address, and then here simply enter the account and general info. So after doing that, from here go and click on switch to sub account right there. Then you will get into your sub account right here, and this is where you can actually manage the cleaning business and do the marketing, CRM and stuff like that. So how I would use GoHighLevel for a cleaning business: first of all, if the client or the cleaning business doesn't yet have a good website, then I would go into sites right here, then here click on websites, then click new website, then click from templates, then click continue, and here at the top just gonna search for cleaning. Then you will see cleaning company, car cleaning, commercial cleaning, so just find the one that best aligns with the business. So for example, for me it will be commercial cleaning services, so I'll go and open up this and then click continue. And then it will be adding this template to my GoHighLevel account, and I'll show you how this website looks, and then you can see if it is better than the current website that this cleaning business is using. If not, then I'll show you how you can add a live chat to the already existing website so that you can really easily also go and connect that to your GoHighLevel account. So you will see right here, this is the template. I'll just go and click on preview. Now stuff like adding your own logo is really simple. You can just go right here and then click on the logo. Then here scroll down until you see the logo. So then here you can go and upload your own logo. Now you will also see there's this pop-up, get a free quote, and then here there will usually be a form once you enter that, where people can then enter their info. Now adding your own images and stuff like that is super simple, and that will only take a couple of hours to set it up for the entire website if you have everything ready. Now you will see it looks really nice with the location, the contact info and stuff like that. And you have the home page, the about, services and contact. And right here you can then schedule an appointment once you have set up the calendar in GoHighLevel. So if the cleaning business already has a good website, then what you can go and do is still go to the site here, but then click chat widget. Then here click new and select live chat. And now here you will see this in the bottom right is then what you can add to the website. So it's a chatbot, and if people click on it, they can then ask a question right here. And you can go and customize what it looks like, so with or without a profile picture, which colors you would like to use, and you can also add your own colors right here. And if the website is hosted on WordPress, you can click get it for WordPress, otherwise just click get code and then just go and implement that into the website, and then this will show up. And basically when somebody asks a question right there, then here in the conversations, you can then go and answer those questions, and you can go and collect their contact info, and then it will show up as a contact in your GoHighLevel account. Now having your site through GoHighLevel is really good because then you can also collect leads through your site and automatically enter them into GoHighLevel right here. Otherwise you will need to do it manually if you want to have them in your GoHighLevel workflows. Now one more thing that I recommend is if you're actively looking for new clients, then you can do Facebook ads, and basically you can in the launchpad right here connect to your Facebook account, and then once you get a lead, they will show up right here in your contacts. And basically in the automation right here, you can then go and click on create workflow. And now you can pick a template. Now you will see they have a bunch of them. So for example, WhatsApp delivery status, missed call, WhatsApp back, lead nurture using GPT history. So you can see they have a bunch of templates right here, but you can also find something like new lead nurture or send a review request. But you can also choose to start from scratch, and you will see right here, if I go to start from scratch, I will get into the workflow builder. Now you only need to do this once. And now as a trigger, what you can go and do is in the event section right here, you could do Facebook lead form submitted. So then when you get a lead through Facebook, they will be automatically added to this workflow, and then you can choose to, for example, add them to your pipeline and stuff like that. Or you could send them an email, you can send a booking link, or you can send an invoice, whatever you want to do. You can see all the stuff that you can do right here. Now GoHighLevel also has really good funnels for every single industry, along with cleaning business. So if you go to sites, right here in funnels, click new funnel, then template, and then here again search for cleaning. And then you have outdoor cleaning service bookings, car service, house cleaning, pressure cleaning upsell, commercial cleaning upsell, etc. For example, if I click on the outdoor one right here, you can see this is the funnel. So basically people can book in a call right here, then it shows what you offer, and you can really easily again go and change anything you want. It's just a really simple page builder. Now you can also connect your custom domain, of course, so that you can go and get a branded funnel and website. Now you also have a reputation management, which basically helps you collect reviews. So if you click send review request, then here you can choose the contacts. So that's why it's good to do everything through GoHighLevel, because then you will have all your contacts here. And then you can simply click on the contact and send a review request through SMS or email. And then in the settings right there, you can get and choose where you want to collect those reviews, for example, on Google or Trustpilot. Now the actual CRM, you can see in the opportunities section right here, we have a pipeline. And basically once you have a contact, you can click add pipeline right here, then create a new pipeline. Then you can go and give it a name, and then you can add different stages. For example, new lead, and then here contacted, and then here booked call, etc. And then you can really easily just drag them into every single stage. So it will look something like this. Then here a contact will show up, and you could, for example, run Facebook ads and then have an automation that once somebody submits the lead form in Facebook, they will be added into the new lead stage right here in your pipeline, and then you can automatically just add them right here. Now there are so many things you can do with GoHighLevel. You can also go and set up your calendars right here. In your conversations, you have a unified inbox for SMS, email, the live chat widget on your website, and a bunch more things. And you can set up an AI to actually respond right here, and you can train that based on your website. So if you go to settings, you can go conversation AI here and set it to autopilot for any of these channels: Instagram, Facebook, SMS, the chat widget, or live chat. So live chat is on the website. Then you can train it right here. So enter your website and then click get data, and then it will analyze your website. You can add common Q&As, and you can configure the bot's intent. So you can set it to appointment booking or general Q&A, or both of them. So I would definitely recommend you to try out GoHighLevel, but what you can actually do with it depends on what the cleaning business actually needs. If they have a bad website, then definitely gonna create your website through GoHighLevel, since that makes it all really easy, because all the leads will just be collected into your GoHighLevel contacts, and from there they will be added to your opportunities, pipelines, into your automations and stuff like that. But now you have a better understanding of how you can use GoHighLevel for cleaning businesses. Now when you create your account to GoHighLevel, you will get an offer to book in a call with someone from GoHighLevel's team who will specifically help you set it up for your specific needs. So I definitely recommend you to go and book in that call once you create your account. You will also get that through the link in the description if you claim the extended 30-day free trial. So again, if you want to get started with GoHighLevel, go and click on the link in the description to claim your 30-day free trial. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.